This is my 2011 F150 with a 3.5 Ecoboost. Recently, my brake vacuum pump has been making an awful rattling noise upon startup, and I think it's about to go bad. Those parts are about $500, and I don't feel like paying them, so I'm just going to take it off, see if I can clean it up, put it back on, save myself some money. There's a bolt here, a bolt here. This is a Phillips head rivet. So it's actually a clip. Once you unscrew that, it'll pop out. And then back in here is one more 10mm bolt. There's an electrical connector going to this portion of the motor. Go ahead and pull that. And there's a vacuum line on the back side as well. This is the brake vacuum pump. There's going to be a bracket underneath with two bolts. Actually, they're nuts. There's a stud. Two studs on the bracket, so we're going to remove the whole assembly. These are the nuts going to those studs on that bracket. They're 13mm. There are 5 T25 bolts on both sides of this pump. Those will get you to the vacuum chamber with the silicone diaphragm in there. Pretty crusty.
Yep.
I'm just going through here, cleaning up all the sealing surfaces. There's an O-ring that goes here and there. We're gonna go ahead and replace those. And then all of the mating surfaces along here where this other piece seals on, I wanna clean all those up. I'm about to get started on this other side here. To remove this bracket, there's a T30 bolt here. Just lift up and pull that bracket off. Let's retake that. It just pulls out those other 3 spots and you're good to get started on this side. I just removed the other 5 T25 bolts here, and I think this might be a little bit of an issue, perhaps more than a little. Ordinarily, you just replace these O-rings, clean up the mating surfaces like we were showing you before, maybe spray a little bit of a lubricant down in there, probably silicone, that would be best. Unfortunately, it does look like this is going to be a failure. We'll probably have to go buy a new one.